Hello friends, welcome to Tasty Appetite. Today let's see how to make a very popular and healthy drink of South India, Madurai special Jil Jil Jigarthanda. In this easy recipe, there is no added colors or no preservatives. This drink is an excellent body cooler and very perfect for the hot summer days. It is famous for its unique color and flavor. Not only it looks tempting, it tastes amazingly delicious also. Without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make Jigarthanda, I am taking 1 liter of full cream milk in a bowl. Let the milk boil in medium heat. Jigar means hot and Thanda means cool or cold. So it translates to a drink that cools the heart. Once the milk starts boiling, let's simmer the heat. Let the milk boil in low heat until it is reduced to half of its volume. Scrap the sides once in a while to avoid sticking to the sides of the pan. Let's take badam pisin. Badam pisin or kadalpasi is the main star ingredient of this recipe Jigarthanda. Badam pisin is also known as almond gum in English or badam gond in Hindi. This badam pisin is easily available in most of the supermarkets now, or also you can buy from Naatu Marundu Kadai or any herbal medicinal shops. Just take 4 to 5 number of badam pisin and rinse well with water. Add it to a bowl and add some 300 to 400 ml of water. Let it soak overnight or at least for 6 to 7 hours. Already I have soaked it last night. Now you can see they have increased in volume hugely and they look like a puffed up jelly. Badam pisin has lot of medicinal properties. It helps in weight loss, skin care, reducing body heat and acidity. If there is some extra badam pisin, you can refrigerate it and use it later also. Set it aside. Now let's see how to caramelize sugar for preparing our Jigarthanda drink. I am adding in 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar in a thick bottomed pan. Heat the pan in low heat and keep stirring the sugar. Don't add any water and keep stirring until it is completely dissolved in low heat. After a minute or so, you can see the sugar has started melting and starts to turn golden. The sugar is turning now deep golden color, so this is the perfect time for us to turn off the heat. Now I am adding in 50 ml of water little by little to the hot caramelized sugar. Be very careful as the sugar syrup will be super hot and it may splutter on adding water. You can adjust the amount of sugar as per your sweet preference. Stir good. Our caramelized thick sugar syrup is ready now. It has become 15 minutes by now and you can see milk has thickened and it has reduced half of its volume. Now let's add the caramelized sugar syrup little by little and keep on stirring the milk. Turn off the heat and allow the milk to get cooled down completely. Refrigerate the milk so that it's cooled down. Once the base ingredients are ready, it's super easy to assemble the Jigarthanda drink in minutes. Nannari syrup is another main ingredient in preparing this recipe. It's a natural body coolant, blood purifier and works good as anti-inflammatory. Some caramelized sugar syrup for garnishing and a scoop of vanilla ice cream. First let's start by adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of badam pisin to a glass. Next add 2 to 3 teaspoons of Nannari syrup. Then fill the glass with thick caramelized milk. Give a quick stir with a spoon. Now add add a scoop of vanilla ice cream or any ice cream flavor of your choice. Drizzle some caramelized sugar on the top. That's it. Our super delicious Jigarthanda drink is ready to enjoy at home. We know homemade is always the best, right? So it's a must-try coolant drink in this summer season to beat the scorching heat. I tried this easy version at my home and I'm happy to say that my family loved it to the core and it's a super hit. So friends, do try this super tasting cooling dessert drink at your home and enjoy with your family. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to receive further new notifications. Thank you for watching. Until I meet you all with a new recipe, stay home, eat healthy, bye bye.